and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. I'm Kelly McGuire with today's top stories. Facebook's millions of users are a lucrative target for internet criminals looking to steal passwords and more. To combat malicious attacks, phishing scams, and spam, the online social network is rolling out new security features. You can ask to be notified by email or text message when your account is accessed from a computer or mobile device you've never used before. The login attempt may be legitimate while you're traveling, but if you haven't left home in a week, you probably should change your password. Facebook is also adding roadblocks when it notices unusual activity, such as simultaneous logins from opposite sides of the planet. For example, you might be shown a photo with your friends tagged and be asked to correctly identify who they are before the second login goes through. Users will also be able to check where the latest logins have come from. This is similar to a feature that Google offers on its Gmail service. Some of these changes are already available, while others are still being tested and will launch over the next few weeks. Facebook typically rolls out changes over several days, if not weeks, so not all users will see them at the same time. These new features come as Facebook is facing growing criticism over the way it handles users' privacy. For wireless subscribers, commitment is out and short-term relationships are in. This year, customers have been making a big shift away from two-year contracts toward prepaid cell phone services, which often cost less and do not require contracts. This is happening even though contracts are needed to get popular phones such as the iPhone and the Android. Now, prepaid service looks like it will be even more attractive with further price cuts. That's because wireless carriers have hit a wall when it comes to finding new customers who will sign contracts. Unlike contract plans that bill subscribers each month for the services they've used the previous month, prepaid services traditionally let subscribers buy minutes in advance for around 10 to 20 cents each. When the minutes are used up, people refill their accounts as needed. For years, such plans were marketed primarily to people who did not have the credit to qualify for plans with contracts. But as the recession forced more people to cut costs, prepaid services appealed to a broader slice of the market, and prepaid service responded by offering better deals. Now it's possible to make unlimited calls and text messages on a prepaid plan for $45 a month, half of what it costs a customer with a contract on Verizon. At TracFone, the largest independent provider of prepaid service, customers pay an average of $11 per month. At least 65,000 mobile phones powered by Google's Android operated system are being shipped every day, Google Chief Executive Eric Schmidt said on Thursday. Schmidt, speaking at Google's annual shareholder meeting at the company's headquarters in California, said the open source Android system is now being used on 34 mobile devices in 49 countries. He also said that it looks like Android is going to be either the #1 or #2 player in the mobile phone market. Google makes its Android software available to handset manufacturers and also sells its smartphone, the Nexus One. Sales of more than 2 million Android handsets a month would approach those of Google rival Apple, which reported sales of 8.75 million iPhones last quarter. According to industry research firm NPD, U.S. sales of smartphones running Android actually surged past those of Apple in the first quarter of 2010. Android-powered smartphones account for 28% of U.S. consumer sales, compared with 21% of the iPhone sales. That's all for today. For more information, visit www.tmcnet.com. I'm Kelly McGuire with the TMC Newsroom. Happy Friday, and thanks for watching.